So bored. Wait, what do you want to do today? I don't know. I think I'm trying to think of something fun. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I know. Let's go. I know. Let's go watch someone cook some dinner. Okay, that'll be good. Wow! Look at them go! Wow! Cool. Hi there, what's going on? Hey, Mud Sauce. Hey, Mud Sauce. Hey there, Blueberry. There's Blackberry. Mustard! Okay. And this is, whoa, Yoshi. Hi there. How have you been? I don't know. We're just watching someone cook. Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, the first time I was bored. Okay. Well, we're done now. Yeah, I gotta get the rest. Be back. Is there somebody in there?
No.
Oh. Then why is it locked? Why is it locked? I'm gonna use the other bathroom. There's the other bathroom. It's gonna hurt here in a minute. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. That was cool. Okay, that was really weird. Okay. Maybe we could go over there, but that was really boring. Okay, so we can't do anything over there. Instead of uh-oh. Uh-oh. The power's... What we're gonna do? The power's out. I think we're gonna have to go to bed. I'm gonna sleep right here. From 1 day later. 1 day later. Okay, now what do we do? Now what do we do? I don't know, but since the power's back on, we can do anything. Oh yeah, that's how it works. I know. Let's play Cotton Nation Race. Cotton Nation Racers. Okay, we're here on this track.
Previously on The Voice. Why did it take this long?
We're here on this track. Okay. My turn. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, your turn. Okay, here we go. That was fun. Okay. Thank you for watching episode 1. Episode 2 coming soon.